For tomorrow's main course, we recommend preparing this dish called the Macedonian Plate. Cut the knobs of garlic. Cut the parsley. Cut the mushrooms in half. Put the pork butt in a preheated pan and boil it. Add flour and the garlic in the bowl with the ground meat. Add salt, pepper, and the mixed spices as well. Knead the mixture. Divide the dough in tiny circular shapes. Fry your meatballs on a preheated, oiled-up pan. Once they're done, put them in a bowl aside. On a preheated pan, take the previously cut mushrooms and start frying. After the pork butt is boiled nicely, take it out. Take out the bones and cut the meat in pieces. Put it on a plate. Once the mushrooms have fried nicely, add white wine, mixed spices, some pepper, and salt. Add parsley and mix. Add the fried meatballs in the mix. Then add everything in a bigger pan. Close it with aluminum foil. Keep in oven for about 30 minutes. 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Decorate the dish by putting a portion on a plate. Alongside white cream and tomatoes. The estimated time for preparation is about 1 hour and 20 minutes. Bon appetit!